Hi, in this video, we will use the Sumif function to sum up values based on a condition. In our example, we will sum up the total of all sales for the month of January. To get the total, we will input the following formula: equals Sumif, open bracket, select column C, comma, quotation mark, type January as it appears in the column, quotation mark, comma, select column D, and close bracket. Press enter. The total for the month of January is displayed. If you click and drag this formula to the cells below, it will not carry forward. This is because the condition is set to calculate when column C equals the text January. Let's delete the quotation marks and the word January and click on G4, which is also January. Now, the formula will carry forward when you drag it all the way to December. In the next video, we will learn how to use the Sumif function based on two conditions. Check out the link below or click on the top right corner of this video. Thanks for watching. Check out my Excel playlist and become a YouTube member by clicking on Join to get access to this Excel file. For more videos, comment, like, and subscribe.